In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about the line tool in AutoCAD. The line tool is by far the most used tool in CAD and probably one of the most basic too, so I'm going to run through all of its capabilities in quick time. To access the line tool, you can click the line button at the top of the page, or you can type in line and then spacebar, or for an even quicker way, you can get to it by pressing L and then spacebar. Once you have the line tool out, just click twice to draw on a line, but that isn't very accurate. So we can draw another line, and then using the number pad we can type in the length of the line that we desire. If you want to draw the line at perfect 90-degree angles, then you can either press F8 to open up ortho mode, or you can press on this symbol at the bottom of the page. Alternatively, you can press tab while drawing the line to control the angle and cycle between these input fields. So if I wanted to draw one in at 20 degrees, then I can do that. But what if I wanted it to be 20 degrees in the opposite direction? Then all we need to do is just type in a minus before our value, and just like that, it flips the opposite way. Once you've finished drawing a line, you're ready to draw another. You can use the right click feature to begin drawing a line exactly where the last line left off. When it comes to changing the length of a line you've already made, you highlight the line and then grab one of the grips at the end, and now you'll see two differing input fields over the line. Press tab to cycle between these. One controls the overall length, as you can see here, and then the other will control the amount that you wish to extend it or retract it. And that covers everything. If you need architectural blocks, then fill out the forms in the description and I'll send them over instantly. I also have an architectural floor plan course rolling out very soon, and I'll be giving out discounts for everyone who's downloaded it. I hope this video helped. Let me know what else you want to learn in the comments, and subscribe for more CAD videos.